certified San Diego's most accurate forecast. This is 10 News Pinpoint Weather.
It was a dog day afternoon for some of us. It's pretty hot out there.
Yeah, dog days of summer for sure, right? Yeah. Continues tomorrow, but a little bit cooler. So that's some good news. The sea breeze is coming back at us. We actually hit one record today. Campo hit a record at 108. The old record was 103. And two ties for you. One Alpine at 100 and Vista 91. All right, the numbers come down a little, but not a whole lot tomorrow. Black Mountain, looking off to the west, you can see some of the clouds in the marine layer coming in. Still pretty toasty in Poway. And all the way to the coast, there's Del Mar. You can see the marine layer and a nice sea breeze coming in. At this hour, 13 miles per hour at Lindbergh, 9 Ramona, still offshore for the deserts. Julian at about 9 as well. So that sea breeze is bringing the numbers down a little bit. However, we hit our afternoon highs at right about 11 and 12 o'clock. So early this morning, you could feel the heat early. We're still sitting at mid 80s from Poway to Escondido, about 89 in Alpine, 77 in Chula Vista, and 75 in La Jolla. And as we look at our downtown sky cam, we're at 70% in Lindbergh and 84% relative humidity thanks to the marine layer blowing right on in. We also have that moisture, the monsoon and subtropical moistures from a couple of systems down to our south. As that continues to track out to the Pacific, we'll start to see a good sea breeze come back in its place. If you're going to the water tomorrow, about mid 70s and the wave height's 4 to 6. So pretty average out there, pretty high for the South Bay though. All right, so wind futurecast, this is the big story. This is what's going to be a game changer for us tomorrow. Not big, but bringing the numbers down a good 5 degrees or so. It will be anywhere from 10 to 15 miles per hour tomorrow afternoon, and that'll help give us a little bit of take a little bit of the edge off. 60s, a very toasty night for overnight lows and some 70s in the higher elevations as well. Your highs tomorrow, we're at 75 in San Diego, 74 Point Loma, 93 in Santee, 92 for Rancho Bernardo. So rather than those temperatures at 100, we come down to about 96 in Escondido, 87 in Vista, and we'll be at about 107 Borrego Springs. All right, if you're headed to Comic-Con tomorrow, notice about mid 70s downtown. And we've got a lot going on all over town. So your 7-day forecast, we'll start off with the coast. 75 tomorrow, a little bit cooler on Monday with the slight chance for an early morning shower from some of that monsoon moisture. And then on Sunday, same story, a better chance for us to get maybe a little bit of cloud cover, humidity, and maybe a sprinkle or two next Saturday. Temperatures mostly in the mid 90s. We drop to about low 90s and upper 80s next weekend. Mid 90s for the mountains, and we stay there for a couple of days, hovering right around 110 for the deserts. So, another warm one, but not quite as warm.
That's what we like.
Yes, sea breeze.
Stay in the sweet spot. Monday is my birthday. So.
Oh, happy birthday.
Thanks,
yay.
Craig.
I'm so excited.
I won't say how old.
21.
There you go. He guessed it. He's so smart.
Yeah.
Thanks, Craig.